I am stuck in here with nothing.
You've always been a disappointment to me, Vera.
I woke up and...
When I was a kid, I was the victim. I was Karen.
I understand as a mother driven by grief, you're not thinking right.
Oh, you're gonna pay for what you've done. I know you killed Reb. You murdered Mendel.
Do it again and I'll fucking destroy you. Understand?
You have never cared about me.
You've been on your soapbox for months hanging shit on me. You're useless. You're on with her, aren't you?
We'll take B. Smith down fucking now.
Oh, it's not gonna...
Yes, it fucking is! We had an arrangement and you go and murder someone.
My bad. To get justice, sometimes you need to cross a line.
Shut the fuck up! You fucking psychotic! Get out.
Listen.
Just get out!
I love
then
you!
Why are you fucking Radcliffe? It's bees!
Took a fucking murderer out of this prison.
At least I didn't bury a fucking prisoner alive.
Keep moving!
You want me to move? You fucking carry me! She looks way better! Will we take out the trash?
You don't run this prison. I do.
You all know it! Give it up or I will cut your fucking throat!